What if I told you that every app you use, like online shopping platforms, banking systems, or even social media, stores, retrieves, and manages data using a simple yet powerful language? That language is called SQL, and today we're going to understand it from scratch in the easiest and most practical way possible. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the Orblearn channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI, cloud computing, and programming concepts. Let's begin with the basics. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard language used to communicate with databases. A database is simply an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Instead of storing information randomly, databases store data in a structured format, usually in the form of tables. You can think of a table like an Excel spreadsheet. It consists of rows and columns. Rows represent individual records, while columns define the type of data, such as name, age, marks, or email. This tabular structure makes it easy to store, search, and manipulate data efficiently. Now, SQL mainly works using four fundamental operations known as CRUD operations. These are create, read, update, and delete. Create is used to add new data or define new tables. Read is used to retrieve or view data from the database. Update allows you to modify existing data. And delete is used to remove unwanted data. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you are creating a student database. First, you use SQL to create a table that defines fields like student name, age, and grade. Next, you insert data into the table, such as different student records. Once the data is stored, you can use the select command to view all the information. If you want specific results, like students who scored grade A, you can use the where clause to filter the data. This makes SQL very powerful because it allows you to get exactly the information you need without going through everything manually. Similarly, if a student's grade changes, you can use the update command to modify that record. And if a record is no longer required, you can use the delete command to remove it from the table. The best part about SQL is that it is both easy to learn and extremely powerful. It is widely used in web development, mobile applications, business analytics, and even data science for analyzing large data sets and making data-driven decisions. As a beginner, your focus should be on understanding how tables work, practicing simple queries, and gradually moving towards advanced concepts like joins, indexing, and database optimization. We have also launched free courses on our website to support your learning journey. You can explore them using the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next learning video on Orblearn.